San Luis Obispo County's case count is increasing and no longer meets the state's criteria. News Channel reporter Dave Alley is live in San Luis Obispo. Dave, the county isn't on the watch list yet, but that could soon change.
That's definitely the case, Beth. As we heard yesterday, San Luis Obispo County announcing it is expecting to be put on that monitoring list. Leaders here today saying that unwanted designation could arrive as soon as tomorrow. Public Health Officer Dr. Penny Borenstein today speaking at the county weekly press conference, talking about the recent rise in case numbers, noting there's been 202 new cases since last week. That represents nearly 25% of all of the 845 COVID-19 cases the county has seen since the pandemic started. Now, as we reported yesterday, the county is no longer meeting one of the state's metrics, cases per 100,000 people, and that may result in a number of businesses either having to modify their operations or having to close up. Also learning today a major change in policy for testing due to a dramatic increase in demand. The county now asking that tests once again be reserved for only those in high-risk categories, including those showing symptoms, essential workers, and people who live or work in congregate settings.
Asymptomatic people, we are asking you to save what is becoming a decreasing resource for the people in these highest risk categories and those with symptoms, and to defer testing if you don't fall into one of these categories.
Dr. Borenstein adding they are also seeing a large number of people not showing up to their scheduled appointments for testing, and that's becoming a big problem since those reservations we heard they're a valuable spot, especially for those who really need a test. Instead, though, they'll have to wait a little bit longer if someone does not show up. She's politely asking the community if you do have an appointment and you need to cancel, to go through the official cancellation process as soon as you know that. County also announcing today the next pop-up location will be next week in Nipomo on July 13th, 14th, and 15th, Monday through Wednesday. That's especially important because, as we've seen over the last 2 to 3 weeks, Nipomo's become really one of the hot spots in the county, rising quickly as we just saw those numbers, now third in the county with 125 cases, trailing only Paso Robles and San Luis Obispo. We'll have much more tonight at 6, but for right now, reporting live in San Luis Obispo County, I'm News Channel reporter Dave Alley. Beth, back to you.
All right, thank you for that, Dave.